What is going on, everybody? I am Chris. This is PNW RC Madness, and we got the Traxxas Sledge, and we got the skate park, and we got the dirt hills. Woo! It's got some power. Go, guys. We're just gonna take it easy. Here we go. Serious power, guys. Lots of rocks. Whew. All right, so far so good. Woohoo! Let's do that one again. Oh, it's got some power. Oh! 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 Oh, I forgot, guys. Totally forgot we're running the ProModeler servo. All right, let's go ahead and check the temps real quick, guys. See what we got. Oh yeah, she's not even getting warm. We're collecting some rocks. Got some wires hanging out. All right, let's do it. It's a beast, guys. It's a beast. All right, here we come. Wow, this thing's got some power, guys. And it's super easy to control with the servo. I am super happy with the servo and the motor. So much control in the air. Wow. So much control, guys. We're gonna hit this right here. What do you think? I think the Sledge can do it. How about some fast run-ups right here? Here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna try it. Oh, it broke, guys. It broke. Oh, man. Well, should we send it again? We broke something. Oh. All right, guys, we gotta see what we broke. Oh man, we broke it 3 days in a row. Oh, maybe not. Man, the Sledge. Okay, we did. We snapped the screw. That is it. Awesome. So unfortunately, guys, that's gonna have to end the video. This truck is just that much more amazing. 10 thumbs up. Oh, I broke the shock cap. Oh, darn it. All right, so we can't keep going. So thanks for watching the channel, guys. Please do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down in the right hand corner. Leave me a comment and I will catch you guys later.